Hey everybody, it's Trey here with KB Tech. I ordered some goodies. It's been a while since I've been able to order anything off of Amazon, but my other handheld, the charger is currently still with the HEYYYY crew, and I have Baofeng BF888S's as our shop radios. But I wanted something. I'm also a ham operator as well as the GMRS. The GMRS covers me and Cheyenne and all my immediate family. But I wanted something that I could use a little bit more. So I went on Amazon with some old gift cards and got some new stuff. Throw that box down there. It looks like, yep, here's my antenna that I ordered. I got the Baofeng UV82. So I always thought this looked like a nice radio, but here it is right out of the box. Pretty nice. I wonder why the Baofeng's not showing up. It was just a reflection. It looks pretty nice out of the box so far. They've really upped their presentation as far as how they're putting their radios together. And I also got a speaker mic because I like to put my radios, like if I'm wearing a jacket, I like to put it in the inside pocket and just kind of forget about it. But I also got an upgraded Nagoya antenna. It said it was 7 inches, but this looks like it's about 16, so have a little bit more gain. So we'll go ahead and put this together. Yeah, Nagoya NA771, very popular antenna among hams. Ooh, this looks like it has a nice flashlight on it.
Panel mode.
It almost looks like this was used prior, or maybe tested. We'll go ahead and put the upgraded antenna. Battery's not fully charged, but we'll throw it on the dock charger here in a little bit. Comes with an earpiece as well. Most of the Baofengs do come with an earpiece. User's manual. The rubber ducky antenna. I might just go ahead and put the rubber ducky antenna on there for a while, for now. Just while I'm messing with things. Because I do want to take care of this. This is going to be my new, main frontline radio I take with me. This radio feels very, very, very sturdy, very stout. The radios, as far as presentation goes, they look much, much better compared to when they were first getting started. That one there. We have the adapter for charging here. Okay. But I wanted to show you guys the unboxing and everything, and it's been exciting. I've been wanting a new handheld radio for a while now because I haven't been able to charge my other one. For, like I said, the others have my charger, so maybe I can charge that radio with this charger. But we'll do some programming here and we'll get her going. Go ahead and get out the speaker mic. I like this speaker mic because it was weatherproof. It was advertised as weatherproof, but it's a little bit different. It's Motorola shaped. It's one of the things I like about that. And the button's easier to push. It's not as loud, and it doesn't get stuck like some of the other ones. I noticed some Baofeng radios, the older microphones, the buttons would get stuck, or how this has a boot on the bottom of it to hold the wire in. It would come out of the boot, and the wires would come undone from the chipset that is in the microphone itself. So that's my new toy, my new purchase. This ran me about $45, and I'm going to put it together and see what kind of trouble I can get into. So, for KB Technology, this is Trey Bollinger. Ham call signs W0KTB, and GMRS is WQYJ711. Down here in Sullivan, Indiana. If you ever hear me on the air, feel free to say hi. I also hang out on the W9WIN system. You can check them out at w9win.org. And I'm also on the W9SKI repeaters in Terre Haute on 145.23 and 444.35. So Well, I'll start programming, and thanks for watching. Until next time, see ya.